Finding the hidden gem online feels like winning the lottery. But lately, the lottery is rigged. You are scrolling late at night and stumble upon a store that looks like it belongs on Fifth Avenue. Take a look at the Mason Parker boutique is the perfect example of a digital trap. Their website is beautiful. It has that clean, minimalist aesthetic that we all associate with high-end fashion. The photography is professional. The dresses look like they cost a fortune. Then you see the price. It is 70% off, maybe even 80. Your brain starts doing that happy dance. You think you found a secret deal. But this is exactly where the danger begins. If you pull back the curtain just a little bit, the whole thing starts to crumble. The trust score for this place is sitting at a 19 out of 100. That is not just low. That is a flashing red light in a dark alley. It puts the site in a very high-risk category for anyone brave enough to pull out their credit card. Think about why that score is so low for a second. It usually means there is no history of successful transactions. There might be a lot of red flags in the technical setup. Then you look at the domain age. This site was registered in late 25. It is a baby. In the world of online scams, this is a classic move. These shops pop up like mushrooms after a rainstorm. They stay active long enough to grab some quick cash. Then they disappear into the void. They have no intention of being around in 6 months. They do not care about customer service. They are not interested in building a loyal following. They are built for speed and extraction. When you see a site that is only a few months old, acting like an established boutique, you have to ask, why? Why is the owner's identity completely hidden? Most real fashion brands have a face. They have a corporate history you can track down. Here, it is all buried behind privacy protection services. It makes you wonder what they are hiding. Is it a person in a basement? Is it a massive network of shell companies? You have no way of knowing. Then we have to look at these sales tactics. Huge discounts are everywhere. Limited time offers are blinking at you. There are emotional branding stories designed to make you feel like you are part of an exclusive club. This is a psychological trick. It is designed to create a sense of panic. They want you to buy right now. They want to rush you before you have time to check the reviews. They do not want you searching for a physical address. It is high-pressure sales disguised as a luxury shopping experience. If you are thinking about clicking that checkout button, I want you to stop and reconsider. This does not look like a trustworthy operation. The risk is simply too high for a pretty dress that might never even arrive. If you do decide to go for it, please use a payment method that offers heavy-duty buyer protection. But honestly, my advice is to just steer clear. Your personal data and your hard-earned money are worth more than a gamble on a site with a 19% trust rating. There are better ways to update your wardrobe. You do not need the risk of being ghosted by a website that did not even exist a year ago. Keep your eyes open. Keep your skepticism high. Your bank account will thank you. Do not let the pretty pictures fool you into a bad decision. Stay safe out there.